Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by signing into your Google account and verifying a reachable phone number. This step prevents number loss later. Once signed in, open Google Voice and immediately search by city or area code to pick a number you want. When you find one, select it and confirm. Google will prompt you to link an existing mobile number for verification. Make sure that linked number can receive calls or texts so verification completes without delay, and accept the terms to reserve your voice number. Once your number is reserved, configure how calls and texts reach you. Set forwarding to specific devices and enable Do Not Disturb during hours you choose. Next, record or type a voicemail greeting and toggle voicemail transcription so you can read messages quickly. Make sure call screening is set to your preference and enable spam filtering to reduce unwanted calls. Finally, add Google Voice credit for international calls if needed, and confirm text forwarding to linked devices so messages appear where you work. Finish by running full tests. Place and receive calls, send a text, and listen to voicemail to confirm everything works. If forwarding or verification fails, unlink then relink your carrier number and repeat verification. This often resets routing. Also make sure the Google Voice app has permissions for microphone, contacts, and notifications, and that your network allows VoIP traffic. If problems persist, restart the device, clear the app cache, and sign out, then back in to refresh settings. This resolves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.